Okay, it's Wednesday, July 6th. I'm buying some Tesla 700 puts at 23.46. This is based on the opening price action. You can see 5-minute chart kind of came down a little bit and then started to rally, and now we're getting a couple of shooter bars here with a red bar starting lower. So if we can get that 2 down 5-minute bar, that should start the downtrend. On the 15-minute chart, you can see try to probe above 700, looking for follow through on this big green day yesterday, but we seemed to fail early. Then we came down and we kind of tried to rally, and now we're starting lower again. So buying those puts, and yeah, if this can get this 5-minute bar heading, on a 2 down, then we should take out the lows of the day and then see if we start lower. There is context definitely to fail, even though I was hoping, there's a certain breakout here that looked like it might want to continue up as well. But then early in the morning, we're failing. So if we can get to the midway point of that first bar, of yesterday's bar, then we could be heading back down to the lows. And I talked about yesterday how on the weekly chart, we're still inside of the prior week, or actually a little bit of that looks like a 2 down. So we really haven't crossed the midway point of the prior week on that up move. And on the monthly chart, there's still targets down here to be hit as well. If this red monthly bar, even though it's starting up for the first couple of days of the month, it's really not an up bar yet. And now it looks like we might be failing. So I'm kind of going by opening price action here. This is a 15-minute chart. It's a little bit choppy. You can see there was selling up here, a little buying down below, kind of pausing here now in the middle, but I'm kind of going on that 5-minute chart again, just getting ready to reverse to the downside. If not, then I can take a quick loss and kind of just follow it from there and just see what the 15-minute chart does. At that point, if I get stopped out, I'll watch this 15-minute bar. If we fail again up here by 700 and start lower, I'll re-enter. So we'll see what happens on Tesla, but this is kind of the moment of truth here. We're either early in the day, we start down and really reverse the attempted rally from yesterday, or maybe this is the low of the day here. Hard to say, but I'm going to try the downside here given the opening price action.